This three-day seminar on transparency and accountability is really a welcome development for the Philippine Church. No? For the past 3 days, no? We are grateful to all our facilitators, no, and the organizers, no, because this is in line with this whole platform on synodality, stewardship, and social transformation. And we feel that if we're able to implement all the principles, all the learnings, the teachings, no, that we have gathered, no, with the bishops, financial administrators, that will now be cascaded, no, to our clergy, to our commissions, to the parishes, no, this will be a paradigm shift which Pope Francis himself envisions for a synodal church. No? So we're really thankful that this has come about, no? Especially after the first and second session of the 16th Ordinary General Assembly of the Synod of Bishops. No? And it is really our hope, no, that we can create systems and structures, no, that will be the implementation of what we have learned these past days, particularly, no, for instance, no, in terms of our financial planning, financial reporting, and how we can undergo crisis management in communications and varying interventions. No? And as we move along, we want to contextualize, no, all these learnings in the financial culture of the Philippine Church. No? So we are filled with hope, no, in this great jubilee of hope. And as the Holy Father has continually emphasized, based on Romans 5, verse 5, hope does not disappoint. Tinamanan ka, walang